Look at that cactus.
That's a big cactus. Watch. Ready? 1, 2.
No.
Pam, how are you?
Good.
Say we're at IKEA.
Again.
We're here to get what? Curtains?
Curtains.
Here to get curtains. And a bunch of other stuff, right?
No, not really.
What?
TV? We don't need a TV. I don't think IKEA sells TVs.
They sell the fake cardboard ones. Alright, let's go and see what we can get into. Alright?
Adley, one of those. She'll be like, Daddy, why is...
Hi.
Oh.
Come on.
You're on the ground. You're not going to hurt yourself. Come here. Good job.
Yeah, I saw that. You wanna ride the moose? The moose? Mm-hmm. What we get?
I was like, what's taking him so long? I was like, wow, is it really that far back?
It was.
I didn't know we made that much progress in such a little time.
Tons of curtains.
Here, will you push
Yeah,
her,
push her.
please?
Wow.
Can't go that
Say
way.
curtains?
Oh, yes,
Wow.
I told her because she helped me put her shoes on that you would let her walk.
Alright, first off, can I get a kiss? Alright, let's go for a walk. Yeah.
I'd like to be able to have you take, you know how our patio is? Take and make like an extra slab off of it to put something like
Yeah, absolutely.
that. Like a little,
That's just we have, sort of. So far, there's cooler. I got you, girl. So, do you get curtains?
stock curtains.
Finally, took you a year.
We're gonna go in this little room.
You realize that's outside. You're going outside. Look, come here.
Yep, you can go try to
It
handle
says were all the items you wanted in stock today.
No. No.
Very sad.
No, don't do it. You want to try the hammock?
Oh,
You've never
we should
done
buy a hammock.
before. I want a hammock. No, listen.
We'll have to go get some pavers and make that section you talked about.
Lay down. You're fine. Lay down.
She's like, I don't understand what's going on right now. Let's see if we make her all the way around. Ready?
No. Hammocks are awesome, aren't they, baby? Look at that cactus.
That's a big cactus. Watch. Ready? 1, 2.
No.
It's fake. Good thing it's fake. Right?
It would have stunk if it wasn't.
My luck. I like those
Emergency
pillows.
room you go. Tomorrow
No.
evening after dinner.
That's not an emergency room visit. That's something you just pick out of your hand on the way home.
Oh, okay.
I lay it over to you and you just pick it out as I'm driving. If I pass out from pain, it happens.
All right, let's go. It's hot.
Yes, it is warm in
These
here.
are
Really,
so
really warm.
adorable.
What'd you put on?
I don't know, but they're cute flowers.
I mean, fake flowers.
Those are so cute.
At least with fake flowers, you can't kill them.
I know, right? You just have to dust
All
them.
right, let's find a place to check out. Let's
Right
roll.
here, 13 fine.
13, lucky number.
I know.
And we're done.
I didn't think it'd be that much.
Not at all.
No.
Not at all. That's something that they don't tell you when you're growing up or as a kid. Hey, listen, curtains are outrageously expensive.
I know, right?
Super. Hey, want to say hi?
Hi.
Say hi.
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 Go.
Where are we going? We're going home? Run. Go through. Yeah, I never thought it would be that expensive.
No.
Like crazy
Put your
expensive.
glasses on, it's gonna get sunny.
But we got curtains for the majority of the house. We still have curtains for the game room. And then
That's
maybe like a balance or something for the, above the kitchen sink,
it.
maybe?
Maybe.
I don't know. But yeah.
Put your
Like-
glasses on, baby. Oh, it's so bright.
Like I was surprised. Like I thought one number in my head, and then checkout said another number.
Well, okay, so originally the curtains you wanted, they didn't have, and they were like $10 to $15 cheaper
Per.
2 panels
Yeah.
versus what we ended up getting.
Yeah. No, they were $20 cheaper per 2 panels. And so we had to settle for something else. But we like them. They're good. Crispy, fresh, and so clean.
Yeah, now I have to go home and iron them all.
Iron them.
And
No,
then-
we got to order curtain rods.
And then I have to hem them, so they're gonna be shorter than what we what we originally got.
Yeah. All right,
Alright, baby, you
let's
ready
roll.
to get in the car?
What flip-flops?
That one.
Which ones you want? Is that the one she picked first?
Yeah,
You like
those
these?
are pretty.
You don't like these? Which one? All right,
Yep,
they're
she
yours.
wants those.
Let's see if I'm the size. Perfect. Flip-flop.
Yay!
Does love me flip-flops? Is she good?
Tag off.
Yeah, you will take the tag off when we get in the car, okay?
Does love me flip-flops?
I don't think she has any flip flops. Oh yeah, she does. She has flip flops. She has the black
Oh,
ones
yeah.
that.
Yep. You can wear them in the car, okay?
Adley, what'd you get?
You say flip-flop?
That
No, look. Say flip.
one.
You want to try those on too? Okay. Can you say flip-flop? Look.
Look at mommy.
Look. Say flip.
Say a pop.
Flip-flop.
Flop.
The house.
We got
We
white
tried
curtains.
IKEA.
Oh, these ones are going upstairs.
We
These are going in our bedroom.
We bought gray ones for upstairs.
Oh, we got 2 things of gray ones.
How was your day for school?
And then we got these white ones for down here. What do you think of these?
What do you want to put these?
Not,
Oh,
just
in our
leave
room.
them there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just leave them there.
Okay.
We got these ones for downstairs, all throughout downstairs.
Come here, Ad. We didn't know what to get you from IKEA. So we only got
So we
curtains.
got curtains. Allie, come here, baby.
You gonna tell sister what you played on at IKEA?
Come here,
here.
come look at this.
What would you want from IKEA? I showed mommy that toothbrush. I showed mommy that toothbrush. Big stuffed toothbrush.
Oh. Got a pencil.
Oh, they didn't have the pencil.
I got a bra. Oh, they didn't? Oh, they're probably, everybody probably already got it.
She's in a diaper hanging out, yeah.
Yeah.
I really wanted to. I always wanted this.
Okay. Will you check her?
I love it.
I gotta use that.
I love it.
You like it?
Yeah. Look it. Ah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah. I think she did. Because it's like,
You let me poop.
Grab her.
I have to use that.
I changed her once 2 seconds ago. It's your
I know,
turn.
I'm about to wet myself.
Don't wet
Can you get a
yourself.
diaper and a wipey, please?
Yeah, they're right there.
I love it.
You like it?
The wipes are here, the diapers are out there.
Come on, let's go through, guys.
Hey, wait. Go grab a diaper for mommy.
Okay.
Run. We'll come right back to it, okay?